Rupee opened the last week a tad higher at 73.17 and registered a high and low of 73.03 and 73.56 in the period. The rupee's trading range was confined to a narrow range between 73.15 to 73.50. Amid the FDI and other capital inflows lined up, the intervention from RBI is crucial to contain the undue volatility in the rupee exchange rate and to maintain its reasonable stability to stimulate and provide the momentum to achieve higher export growth in the remainder of the current financial year. At this point of time, we are of the view that RBI would disallow any sharp appreciation in the rupee exchange rate beyond the 72.50 mark at a time when the external demand is picking up. During the period between end March 2020 till date, the rupee has gained by 3.40% against the dollar, and most of its rise was contributed to influx of capital flows in the form of FDI, private equity, QIP, and inflows into NRE and FCNR accounts of NRIs. The overall upside rally in global stock markets encouraged an uptrend in the rupee from the prevailing levels. Only the RBI intervention at frequent intervals can keep the rupee stable and to trade between 72.50 to 73.80 till the end of November 2020. A rebound from 72.50 level, if tested, is quite possible for a pushback to 73.80 over a period of time. Overwhelmed by huge capital inflows, the supply of dollars in the market far exceeds the dollar demand, leading to a surplus dollar position in the market, thus pressurizing the rupee to appreciate. In this background, the intervention from RBI remains crucial to prevent any sharp appreciation in the exchange rate. During this calendar year 2020 till date, rupee recorded a depreciation of 2.60%. After analyzing all the favorable and adverse factors on the internal and external fronts, the rupee's depreciation is very much limited. We are looking for the depreciation in the rupee to end the current calendar year at 2 to 3.5% against the dollar. World Bank presented a dire outlook on the Indian economy, citing its GDP is expected to contract by 9.6% this fiscal year, and it is an exceptional situation in India. RBI concluded its policy meeting today and left the policy rates unchanged while continuing with the accommodative monetary policy stance as long as necessary to revive growth on a durable basis. RBI will now conduct on tap TLTRO with tenors up to 3 years for a total amount of up to rupees 1 lakh crores at a floating rate linked to the policy repo rate. This scheme will be available up to 31/3/2021 and the liquidity availed by banks under the scheme has to be deployed in various money market instruments and to extend bank loans to entities in specific sectors.